Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. So guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install Teracopy for your PC, Windows or Mac operating system. So without wasting time, we will go to and show you how to download and install it. So first of all we will go to our browser. I have Chrome, so I will open this and search here Teracopy. Okay, after searching we will show this website, codesector.com. Open this website, codesector.com, and Teracopy for Windows and also available for Mac. Copy your file faster and more securely. Okay, so be in control. In case of Teracopy error, Teracopy will try to recover. If unable to recover in the worst case scenario, it will simply skip the problematic file, not terminate entire transfer. It can also wait for network or device. So file verification, confirm drag and drop, faster workflow. So other features of Teracopy are shell integration. Teracopy can completely replace the Explorer copy and move function, enabling you to work with files as usual. Export reports. In this feature is available in Pro, and this is also available in Pro Teracopy Pro variant. Preserve date stamps, trusted by forensic expert. Copy logged files. Okay, your log file will also be copied. So testimonial and review, these are the reviews of the users. And feature metric. The feature metric are feature difference between Teracopy free and Teracopy professional variant, purchased variant. So these are the feature differences. So verify files and after copy, this is also available in both variants. Preserve timestamp in both variants. Copy logged file, this feature available in both variants, both Teracopy professional and free variant. So delete secure files, the file securely. Use a commercial environment, this is not available in free variant. Edit file list, it is also not available, this is not available. So this is also not available in the free variant. So you can download the free variant here and purchase the pro variant of Teracopy. Free download Teracopy here. So we will go to quick links and we will go to home and downloads. Or this you can see here the latest variant and other previous release notes of Teracopy. You can see a 392, and you can download the installer file that size is 9 MB. Teracopy exe file or zip file you can download here. I will download exe file. So you can see here the installer of Teracopy. The software is downloading here, and after this you will need to extract or run as administrator to install the Teracopy full variant, free variant of Teracopy for your PC. So if you want to download Teracopy for your Mac, you can also download for your Mac. So after this I will open this, show in folder, and run as administrator. This was the installer of Teracopy. Yes, open this. Yes, so you can see here the installation has been starts. Yes, I accept the term and license agreement. Next install Teracopy. Oh yes, install. So guys, in this way you can also install and download Teracopy free variant for your PC from this website. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.